Hi guys, CodeTutor here and my name is Anil.
There is another small aspect which I forgot to discuss as a part of the error handling in Swift. As you can see here, we have now declared the book errors as an enumeration and adopts the error protocol, and now we have declared two errors, that is too costly and too old, and we are also handling them in the to catch block. So the lend book method, which is throwing the errors too costly and too old, is put with a try keyword, and we are catching both kind of errors, and we are catching them under both catch blocks. This is perfectly fine, but just as a precaution to make sure that in case there is still a possibility of another error happening which you might not have anticipated, it will not be caught by these two catch blocks, because these two catch blocks are only pertaining to too costly and too old error types. So what you can do is you can write another generic catch statement without specifying the error type. When you do this, Swift actually passes the error object inside the catch block. So what you can do is you can display the error message and handle it appropriately. So this is another way of making sure that all the possibilities are handled when it comes to error handling in Swift. This is something I had forgotten to tell you. So that's it about the error handling. So let's move on to the next topic.
That brings us to the end of this particular video. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.